the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, today I'm going to do a comparison between Twitter versus Reddit. So let's check the traffic and stuff like that. Twitter is ranked 4th in the worldwide, while Reddit is ranked 19th. And in United States, Twitter is 5th and Reddit is 12th. So guys, the monthly views on Twitter, you get almost 7 billion views, while on Reddit 1.7 billion views. And mostly the traffic is coming from the United States, as we discussed. So guys, the basic difference is that on Twitter you can post anything, but you don't have communities are not that popular. On the other hand, on Reddit you have to post on subreddits, on communities like subreddits. And on Twitter there are you have to use hashtags, while on Reddit you cannot use hashtags. On Twitter you have a partner program, which is not that popular, but you have it. On Reddit you don't have a way to monetize your content. On Twitter you can have option of buying a blue check mark, which is worth $8. On Reddit you don't need to buy a blue check mark. You have Reddit Premium, but that is just to remove advertisements and to improve experience of Reddit, just to so that you can support Reddit. So these are the basic differences, my friends. Please let me in the comment section below what you guys think. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar for future updates. Thanks for watching.